It's working.
So that's great. But let's take a look then. So, yeah, wow. GJ is still looking pretty hard over here in terms of the structure. It's just bouncing off support. It's actually stepping up though here, which is nice. But yeah, let's just take a look here. Realistically though, again, taking buys at highs on GJ can be hard, man. But the past couple of months, it's just been pushing. But I always like to look to get the retracement at the moment. So daily closed bullish, not above. So still has a bit of resistance there. The 4-hour time frame looks very, very, very choppy. To be honest with you, let me get this off there. Ah, there it is. Can't hear you. Can you not? There you can now. So yeah, daily 4-hour bullish, overall bullish. The zone itself of like clean candles and pushes are kind of non-existent. The only thing you got away for is M's and W's, and yeah, that one before was nice, man. Let's take a look at the 5. How did the 5 look? Yeah, closure above, retest, continue. TP1 would have been there, so yeah, it was nice. Shame my alarm did not wake me up. It might have waken me up, or maybe I just was unconsciously taking it off and then just passed out. So yeah, I mean, let me just write on my other zones below. 183, 200 is quite a big level down here, all down here as well. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, GJ is the same thing as yesterday, right? Wait until it comes to support, buy the supports. Wait until it goes to res, sell res, until it starts to break. That's the only thing that I can really see here. Let's take a look at Goldie. What's Goldie gonna do this today? So Goldie yesterday, the daily closed bullish. Yeah, daily closed bullish, closed above the previous zone. So realistically, this this zone from here to here we should push up because we closed above. Obviously there's quite a lot of rejection wicks there before, but this is the first candle that's kind of closed above this resistance. So yeah, we should really fill. I mean, maybe to 1939 would be a good target today. Let me just write this on. So there's the daily flip. The 4-hour has been, yeah, not doing too much, which is good. Through Asian, it looks like. Through Asian session, we have not really done much at all. Still look at the hourly, the 30-minute, and the 15. So now you can start to put on some zones. We do have a support right down here, which is 1923. But yeah, Asian session didn't really do much again, you know, not, you know, maybe move like 40 pips, but no real direction, just kind of sitting here. And yesterday, yeah, I mean, it pushed up and then we kind of rejected it. It came to the high though, it came to 1930 and then we just retraced all the way back down. Let me just write this on here. So this is our current zone we're in, current big zone that we're in. In terms of where I'd want to take potential sells, I mean, it's just hard, man. It's hard. I mean, the only way is probably this way down here. But it's not. There's no clean zone. It's pretty hard, man. So let's just write this on here. There's the next support at 1920. And that would be when the 4 hour, yeah, it's got a big 4 hour support there, to be honest. Let's just go on the 15. Is there anything lower? Yeah, I'm going to move that a little bit lower. So I think the only way to take trades realistically is if it closes, sells would be, yeah, 1920. Let me just put the news up just to see what we're working with today. Wednesday, OPEC meeting, FOMC meeting minutes. Yeah, there's a lot of news today in terms of meeting minutes and all that kind of stuff. FOMC today. It's not FOMC. It's just the meeting minutes. It's not actually FOMC. OPEC meeting today, and the rest is okay. Manufacturing PMI, services PMI. Sorry. So yeah, I mean, let's just take a look above 1931, 1930. Where do we have any zones? Yeah, we've got so much traffic above here. So the only area I'd want to take for buys again would be above 1938. I think the zone before that has way too many resistances. There. Those there. Rejection wick. So yeah, I think the easiest level for us would be to wait above 1938. $1938.3. And yeah, I mean, the only sells I'd want to do, because if you look at the 4 hour here, 4 hour could go back and retest this level. The daily candle can pull down. I think the only way you would look for sells is if we close back below 1920. And then we can maybe go retest this level here that we pushed off on. So yeah, I think I'll be quite happy with the 1920 there. I think that'll be good. And that'll be breaking the 4 hour support. Take a look at the 4 hour. So yeah, it'll be like, can you see here that was stepping up? Where if we break below there, then it'll be breaking structure for buys. Okay. So that would make sense for me. And then obviously the actual zone below that, if you look at it, it moves quite quickly below from 1920. So that's me done. Pretty simple today. Look like Goldie's actually starting to push off over here, which is good. Already pushing more than pretty much Asian already, which is good. GJM. Well, already happened. What price would you have got in there? 728. Stop loss is like 9 pips. My God. Already up like 6 now. Probably go retest 638. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I don't know why GJ just sat here. What did it do yesterday? Yeah, what was this time? Oh, no, that was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday was yesterday. Oh, yeah, that was the push that... No, Raja did the Monday one, and then this one here... Let's take a look at the hourly. Oh, yeah, this. So again, still holding that zone. Any way you could have got in on the 30-minute doji break at the high. 15 minutes were, yeah, they were trailing up, and there was a 5-minute W, was there? Yeah, so yeah, that was nice. Again, been a lot of nice range changes on GJ here. Max, what's more important, wicks or bodies in regards to candles? Depends what you're doing with them, man. The bodies normally show you where price actually is in terms of resistance. Like we draw our zones on bodies, you know. We've always done that. So I think yeah, I think do them on the bodies. The wicks are only there really like to look at a level like you know, a closure above there, you know, maybe a low wick and a flip and then break. Those wicks would be nice. Holy fuck, look at that GJ just wicking back up. Damn. 1 hour break retest. M was in retest for buys. Yes. Did it go and tap my zone? I got very close. So yeah, we're still at these highs, man. I mean, is there anything above? No, this is literally the high, yeah. I think every single time we look at GJ, it's always at the high. Yeah, let me put my 50% on. So yeah, still holding it. And right now we're looking below on Goldie. Could you take sells below here? I mean, there is a little bit of a support that could hold here, which is the only issue. But you could wait for maybe a closure below 23 and then run to at least 22. Yeah, it's quite a small zone. I think below 20 is going to be better. 20 is going to be nice.
Max, I know it's in the middle of the range, but could this be a W on GJ? Because it's at 50% Asian.
Yeah, it's right next to Res. Right next to Res. Taking the W of Res is doomed. A bit like yesterday's Goldie, you know, taking the M, there's a little bit of support there, but yeah, from the Sims, it's always a little bit of an issue with W at a level of resistance. This one down here is the one, man. I just fucking missed it. It was very, very early, to be fair, 6 o'clock, but that one down there was good. Support forming. W, you had a celery as well. I had a lot of confluences, that one. Wow, this looks like a strong candle on GJ, damn. I mean, if you're looking for targets, I mean, yeah, 184 would be the target. 184. The issue is obviously it is a very, very big resistance. I have to wait for that closure first. Let's take a look at EJ as well. But yeah, I think these gold sells would be great. Let's take a look at EJ. Yeah, EJ coming back up into this godly range. Good target is 157.59 there. Should go back and retest there if it breaks above. It's quite a small zone. Missed that too, was charting gold, yeah. Did gold do any moves later on yesterday? So we came up, yeah, man. I should have really been in these buys. But again, look at this, man. What the fuck is this? Finally pushed that. What was that? 930, yeah. 930. And then towards 11 o'clock, we started rejecting. Break these Asian lows, boy. I got a magic keys today. I got 2 discounts, thanks, 10%. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. So yeah, I think we're just gonna get paid to wait over here now. I gotta wait a little bit longer for 1920, but I've been maybe a little bit too aggressively recently. In these quite shit market conditions. So I'm just gonna wait. That GJ buy though there was good. And there's the 15 celery. Fucking add all of it. Very nice. Let me why is it so cold? Window's not fully shut. So coming towards the Asian lows, see if we break them. So yeah, the issue that I have with taking the sells right now is because the retest is there. And there's also a big order block there. So the reason why I want to wait further below is to get below it in this area. And this, from past experiences from there, and there, we push quite nicely below. It's a little chilly today. Yeah, it is. I like it. I've got my bloody onesie on. It's a bit too cold. Oh, I'm indicating to that murder mystery thing last night. Have you guys seen that on TikTok where you get like a fake case, you have to figure out who did it? It's well good. Show you it. Oh, I don't know which one it was called though. It was well good that I got it right. Yes. There's like 6 suspects, and you had to kind of like find lullabies for them or not. Well good. It took quite a while, to be fair. So broke Asian lows, which is nice. If you look at the hourly now, yeah, coming down. As I said though, when it taps here, it could have a couple issues. But if we start breaking below it, then 1920 is good. But getting in before, I think, is a little bit risky because it's literally right there. It's not very far away. I wonder why this GJ is hovering in this week so far, just kind of in this zone. It's been just bouncing off supports. But yeah, I realized the past couple of days, maybe with jumping into these like new setups, maybe I've just been a little bit aggressive with them. But yeah, the one yesterday, I think I've gone to them a little bit too early because it was still quite clean. EJM forming. The daily close below as well on EJ. Daily close below. How far is it to that support? Yeah, quite close. But I mean, yeah, I mean, if you could find this W, obviously I haven't really done M's on EJ yet, but imagine that you can get the top wick of the day. That'd be nice. Max, did you take another L after stream? No. I sacked off yesterday. Mainly because it was like a bank holiday, you know. Ooh, Don got in. Ah, I just took it. What did he take? Like 8 pips or something. Very nice, very nice. Max, you treat like the normal days. These new strategies are very hard. They'll come, but yeah, I know I'm just gonna focus on them one moves that I can get. But W's and M's as support, I'm still taking because there's so many of them. You just gotta pick the red ones. Maybe the gold one yesterday was maybe a little bit too bullish. Where did Don get in? He just got a 5-minute closure. There. And he closed there. Which is interesting because it didn't close below the 5-minute support. So I'm surprised he got into that, to be honest. He only waits for a closure below. He's just got more volume, you know. Get them 10 pips. How'd you know? You put it on Instagram. Yeah, you got in here. I thought you would have gotten like, on this one. Did Don take the break at the 15-minute low? Yes. Got in just like there. Closure. You just got in straight away. Not the low. You just got in straight away, I think. Very nice. Keep on going, Goldie. Now, obviously, as well, if you look at 1920 where we want to take it, it'll also be breaking previous daily lows. That's good. It's a good sign. Ooh, Kiko, what did you take, my man? Break of... Was that 15-minute low? Nice 15 celery at the top there. Oh. A little bit of an M as well. Wasn't really a res. Keep on pushing down, Goldie. This is looking good. Oh, this GJ is wild and still. It had 5 minutes. Those 5-minute candles yesterday on GJ were wild. All here. And then we just started pushing quite nicely at like 11 o'clock. But yeah, in the morning it was pretty slow yesterday. Pretty slow. So now on the 4 hour, we're about to touch this order block on the 4 hour. Also, it's on the hourly as well. So if you are in gold sells, I'd advise probably taking some off. Because you may see a little reaction over here. And that's what you'll do.
Over up.
Doo-doo. I think it'll be risky to enter sell here. 100%, Alex. Yeah, 100%. We've got to wait a little bit further below. Just a little bit further below, and then we'll be good. Yeah, so for the meantime, I've reduced my lot size to 1%. Just to get back on track. And then we should be good. Max, is it me or does there seem to be more red folders during NY these days? Yeah, there's always red folders. There's always been red folders. There's just been a lack of movement before the news comes out, which makes it feel like the news is more impactful, I'd say. Yeah. So where would you want to take gold buys? That's the thing though, man. It'd be hard to take gold buys. Where would you want it above? It'd be pretty hard. 30-minute just closed bearish below. But yeah, we're gonna wait until 1920 and then we'll be good. We'll be good. Oh, taking buys in 1921. My only issue is this, right? If you look, price push up, price came down, the buys came. Price came down, price came up. And now we've started to change. We've started to change from bullish to bearish. So it's just a little bit hard to... If this candle... If this wasn't here and we just pushed kind of up here, then there, and then this one came down and then you bought there, that's good. But now because we've rejected and now we're starting to turn bearish, it's quite hard to look for buys. That is the only issue. After a couple of minutes, Raj would be like, resistance form in 30-minute. Easy sells, 40 pips secured. I know, man, yeah.
Yo,
Yo.
how are you?
I'm good and good. How are you, man?
I'm good.
You take a nice gold sell?
Yeah. You saw what happened?
Did you get in on the celery or did you just get in?
Steep for
Break
that.
a 30-minute low.
No, I was actually a bit lower because I was kind of late in entry. Um, yeah, but I just saw it happen, and then I was actually looking for buys, but if you look on the 1 hour, what were we doing the whole time?
We were respecting. We were continuing down. We were breaking lows, lower
Higher
lows.
lows, lower highs,
Yeah,
lower highs, higher lows,
yeah,
and now my runner is fucking eating.
yeah. Nice, bro. This running could be quite good.
Yeah.
Let's
I
see how.
sent you a message on Telegram. Don't open it on stream.
I did though. I replied. I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen.
I like your Snapchats every day. Try and read what language you're speaking.
Yeah, you need to talk like you have something in your mouth and just say and then you speak Dutch.
The ditches. So yeah, hopefully we can come below 1920 and then yeah, these sells back into this zone. Nice. Sold gold 1925.5. This 1 hour flip but closed full at 20 pips. This shit gonna run. Always just leave a little runner on.
My runner is fucking. I think this is one of my best runners ever.
Yeah.
Because you know what I did yesterday? I used to film because I've stopped for some reason. It's because I'm not disciplined enough, apparently. But I used to do a breakdown of all my trades, like just recording, talking to myself.
Yeah.
I went back to look at it, and the amount of times that I said I could have really let something run.
Yeah.
I was like, whoa, why am I being so fucking greedy that you're not leaving something to run
100%.
for that 0.2%?
Exactly, man.
Where's my uncle? Let me call him.
Uncle.
He's gonna answer as well. You're gonna see, hey, bom dia. Let me put it on speaker. I think he's contacting. Is this guy offline or something? The fuck does contacting even mean, bro? Just call him. I don't know, he's fucking passed out.
My legs are in bits, man. Second day of it, absolutely killing me, man. I can barely walk.
How much you weighing right now?
I did I don't know, but
I can't see myself. Why can I not see myself? Stream seeing, you know, need to represent myself properly.
Yeah, I was doing lunges, weighted lunges. Oh
Ooh.
my god!
Did you mean lunges just like back and forth?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you know what I mean? Uncle, bom dia, caralho. Bom dia, já ligava. Não atendeu.
So there you go. There's this little tap.
1920. Yeah. I'm doing a hello it. You're muted, patron. An amateur. Still muted.
Amateur Zoom boy.
Fucking microphone doesn't unmute. I love how he misspells some words that you're like, Oh, thank God you don't speak perfect English.
Nah, Elohe's some of his words that he puts in the Telegram is fucking hilarious. There was one yesterday that I creased. Where was it?
Bro, I literally had when I talked to Brian, yeah, this fucking guy is a fucking pussy.
Pussy, yeah.
Brian, I was talking to Brian about some serious shit. He's like, "You fucking pussy."
Yeah, that's
I
what
was
I
like,
was
"Oh,
getting.
fuck's sake."
Man, these
But
guys,
yeah,
the team make money is a fucking pussy, guys, man. What's up?
What's up?
My boss, everything all right with you guys?
Yeah, good man.
I see, I
Yeah,
see, I
you
see
you see me
train-
smiling, so something going
You
on.
training hard yesterday, Max.
I what? Train hard, yeah, man. I'm fighting my demons off, bro.
I see a photo like a hook.
Fucking looked bigger than the fucking pull machine. Bro, I started doing calves, but just one leg, just raising it with one leg. Fam.
Oh, yesterday, Max, I trading GJ by myself.
Oh god. Did you play the range?
That thing is hard, man.
That what?
I'm doing great. I take a profit, but I'm so fucking lucky that I close because when I check again, he up
Yeah.
like a fucking huge candle up.
Goldie, come on, please. Keep going.
But what are you guys looking for?
Cells blue 1920. Some people already in cells from up here.
In gold?
Yeah, 1920.
Yes.
So that'll be breaking the 4-hour order block, the daily low, and it's got a clean zone here. Look at that. Push very nicely down here. Is there anything on the 15 that I got worried
Yeah,
about?
looking good.
And then yeah,
920.
GJ this morning was nice, man. W as support. It was very, very nice. But it was at 6 o'clock. My fucking alarm. That's the worst, man. Sometimes I forget that, like, I set one alarm. And sometimes the one alarm is not enough. And I wake up like 30 minutes later. I'm like, what? Where's the fucking alarm? But I think what happens is, because I remember doing this at uni, like, I used to have Alexa on, like, Alexa, like, wake me up. But obviously, like, you're half asleep and you want it to fuck off. So you just go, Alexa, shut the fuck up. And then obviously it shuts off and then you just pass back out. So I think I might have just woken up, clicked it, thinking, oh, I'll wake up in 5 minutes and then just pass out for another 20.
Do you know what I do? I use that app, the Sleep Cycle app. And when it starts playing, I kind of wake up. I look at the charts, and then I go back to sleep, and then it starts waking me up again. And then the second time I'm up.
I think I need to, yeah, I think in terms of the morning, like, just waking up and going on the chart straight away, I think it's bad, man. Because you're not like, you just woken up. You can't make logical things. You think you've got to go see some light first. You've got to go outside and fucking stare at the sun for a while.
Good luck. There's no fucking sun here, bro. It's raining. How is it raining, man? It's fucking July.
Man, London. That's London.
Bro, I live in Amsterdam, man.
Yeah, it's true. I think I talked to. I listen you, but I think about Max.
He doesn't even live London. He lives Leeds.
Okay, but this is England.
Same shit, you know?
It's the same shit.
Fucking British people.
British people. So gold, yeah, it was good. Good job. Yeah, it's class, man. I think this day could be quite nice.
I'm only closing when I see a green candle on the 5 minutes. Until then.
Yeah, it's a good way to do it.
We waiting for the 20 or for 21?
20.
My thing with sales below 20 is that you need some type of pullback.
Yeah. I'm thinking maybe later on.
I hope these just
Because
keep
again, like, you know, it's with this, you know, with the closure below, it's like, yeah, I'm getting the fucking low of this whole move, like, fucking.
And look where the 15-minute celery happened. At what price is that?
Right, top 7 o'clock. Was it 25?
Look to the left. It's the 50% mark of the Asian range.
Yeah.
Literally on it.
Yep.
So you just need that 50% range is like it will hold support sometimes. You will get a celery from it. It's just like a level, it's like a magnet. If you sweep Asian ranges at the Asian range and you come back into the range, good chance you're gonna tap the 50%.
100%.
Woohoo! Caramba!
Push and P. So see what it does over here. Just tapped into the hourly one too now. This one here is a little bit shorter. So yeah, I think the sales need to come later on. If you're already in, then great. You know, your runner can maybe do the business, but in this area here, it's a big level that price could react off.
Okay, I'm gonna go to work.
See you then, brother.
Yeah.
See you when you get there. Anyone Eastern European here? Ooh. Some Eastern Europeans. Have it to me as well. There was 10 minutes on my quiz of power electronics. I woke up in just before 10 minutes before the class. Start my bike and ended up with an accident. There was 30 kilometers home to uni. Oh yeah, rough. It's rougher. Eastern Europe. Where are you from, Andrea? Romania. Really? You sound very Arabic. I thought you were from like you have an Arabic twinge. Swear. Yeah, you sound like you got like the when Arabics speak English, they kind of have that little rhythm, like the tongue twister. Like there's some words that sound very Arabic, like you say. I did not know that. Our time has come, we are not the center of the world. Yeah, Eastern Europe, I do want to go and see, like, what's it, like Budapest and stuff? Is it Budapest or Prague? That kind of area. Bulgaria, wow, I like Bulgaria. Apart from Sunny Beach, fuck Sunny Beach. Sunny Beach is haram on all levels. Sunny Beach is the worst. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be, you know, timid, pretty timid. Oh, it was haram. So you can see now, you know, you're tapping into the zone. So that even though there's like order blocks, you know, you don't play them, you don't have to buy them, you know what I mean? Because it's not with our strategy. It's just good to have them marked, and it gives you targets, gives you levels that, you know, you could have a little bit of an issue on. But when they're like retracing and you see, well, like there's one on GJ yesterday, I think that Brian looked at. What was it? Yeah, was it not here? Was it here? I think it might have been here. This is a level that price can react on. Was that on just the 15 or the 30? Yeah, just the 15. Taps into it. Is there a 30 celery somewhere? Nope, let's look a bit in depth of that one. It was a 5-minute W though. And there's the celery. A little bit later on at 3 o'clock. That's fair. Everyone's saying free Tate. Free Tate.
New video and it's titled Tate Fighting Ghosts. If you want to join the real world with
way to transverse with Aikido across the different astral planes to get back to the physical world. That can't be easy to do. By the time you've achieved this monumental feat, why on earth would you bother to haunt a pussy who's scared of everything anyway? Of course the ghosts come for me, I'm top G.
Of course it's gonna be. I'm top G. Want to be in before the break of below 920? You want to be in before? Good morning, Max. What is your thoughts on EJ looking good for buyers? Closure with 157,500. Yeah, 57500. Yeah, like 480. So then go and retest back up to here. The zone's very small. You know what I mean? Like if you're getting in 500, 600, you gotta go break even because it's retesting this level here. So the only issue for me is that that's quite a small zone. I like big zones on EJ. If I can give the resistance. Yeah, GJ is
Yo,
Just-
look at this, man.
Hmm?
I can't even get out of my house. What?
What, it's raining? Ooh.
Storming. Like, fucking can't leave.
Oh my god. Is that what
I'm
I'm
not
gonna
gonna
get
get it.
tomorrow? Fuck.
Yeah, it's gonna rain there, dude.
Also, yeah, when I go on holiday, if I want to get, I can give one of you guys or a couple of you guys my Zooms, so you guys can do the Zooms and chill out. If you guys are not busy.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'll give you the Zooms. Because it is annoying that when it's like 40 minutes. Like, fuck off. I'm making you one every time. It's a bit of a pain in the arse. 90 degrees over here. What's this temperature right now? It's definitely cold here. I feel it. 14
it's
here.
Fucking pouring down here, like insane.
Yeah, it's
I thought
14.
about running to the car, but I'm not fucking gonna get all wet with this shit.
Are you scared of rain, you pussy?
Fucking pussy.
Oh my god, HS Tiki Toki again. What is this HS Tiki Toki raging? God dang. Supposed to thunder in Dubai next few days. Oof. Oh, Ben, no. There's a potential gold W on your radar. It's just a little bit too bearish. I wanna be a little bit cautious with these Ws. I wanna make sure that we're at a major level support. Obviously, we've got an order block there, but that's all we've really got. Everything else is not with us. Are you doing 1% risk now, brother? Yeah. Yeah, just to get us back up again. I'm living in Spain. It's only 25 degrees. Oof. Mate, I'm going on holiday. I can't wait. I'm gonna sit there and fucking beat in the sun for hours. Which will be beautiful. Yeah, we've got 7 minutes left for this 8 o'clock. There's Brian in the chat. What does that even mean? I know what it means, but does it say pussies or is it posies?
It's pussy in hello ways. Bro, I laughed so hard yesterday.
Why?
No, I told you. I was
Oh,
like
the
writing
brand.
like a proper message, like really explaining my thought pattern. You fucking pussy. I just lost everything. I was like, fuck's sake.
Yeah, imagine me. I get that fucking daily.
It is what needs to happen though. We're the young boys, and they're like the uncles.
Yeah, it's just hard. I mean, you know, he just says, "Oh, just click when you see it." I fucking did click when I saw it. It didn't do anything for fucking hours. This one pissed me off. To be fair, though, I mean, no, that one was not as bad as the other one.
No, but it's not just about the clicking. It's about just don't overreact on the yeah. I took the fucking pussy literally. I'm like, bro, I am a fucking pussy. What the fuck am I saying? Why am I being emotional about trading? Come on, gold. Come get my TP.
Where's your TP?
1920.2.
Fuck that. 1914, bro.
1914?
Yeah. Your entry's high.
Yeah.
It depends if it breaks this. If it breaks,
You think so?
Yeah. If we break below, because if you're breaking the daily lows.
Because I had it lower, but then I was looking at. But look, you also look on the daily, yeah. Daily will be breaking. Oh yeah, daily will be breaking lows. We had rejection last 2 days. We made a double top. We still are bearish overall.
Yeah.
1914.
Yes, sir. If it can break it. Yes, your entry's like up there. What's your actual entry?
My entry is 1924.81.
You just gotta break below this 20 level. Have you taken any of your off yet or not?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine then. Yeah, I'll just leave it. Potential W, yeah, I see it, but man, it's fucking bearish, bro. It's a little bit too bearish for my liking, and then also the support on the left is not a really. It's just an auto block. It's not a full support. Oh my god, my legs. Those fucking. Ah, man, I'm getting actually cramped, bro. Alright, 2 minutes.
You know, I'm stuck home. Mm, 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 mm. Oh my days, we just got like an alert on our phones to stay home.
What?
Mad thing.
Why?
Bro, they just sent out an alert.
Because it's raining?
Yeah, bro,
What
it's
the
fucking.
fuck?
Bro, it's like. Wait, let me show you here on this side. Wait, how do I turn this camera? See it?
Yeah, it's pretty rainy. Man, rainy.
Yeah. It's gonna be a work from home day. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Roll up a joint.
Much easier. So now it's 8 o'clock over here. Yeah, goalie hasn't closed below yet. Maybe a little bit of a retest back to like 23.6. But
So
definitely a
that is
closure
real by
below.
snowflakes.
You what?
Look what Tommy said in the chat. Yeah, man, Tommy. I don't mind as long as I don't stay home.
Yeah, imagine that. Imagine that in the UK. Sorry, guys, you can't go to work because it's raining. What the fuck?
Yeah, but some fucking idiots will still think they can bike in this weather and they'll just get fucking ran over because they fall on the road.
Oh, because you guys will cycle in it. Max, give us 10 push-ups now. No. I did push-ups yesterday. Push-ups are not hard, to be fair. It's just my legs are in absolute bits. My legs are in the bitch. GJ? Oh yeah, GJ is pushing up. Right at the highs.
It might reject again, you know.
What, GJ?
Do you remember what Brian said that if he has like a triple four top, it wants to sweep those orders off?
Yeah. Slapping.
Or London Open just might push it 150 pips and I'm just talking shit.
So there's a little W on Goldie. See if it plays out. Yeah, it's too bearish. But yeah, I mean, retest maybe back up to 23, 24. And then maybe the sells later on. to mirror this candle, and then yeah, to go back and retest this hourly would be great. 1914. That would be beautiful. Afterwards, guys, see you guys, and good luck trading. Cheers, brother. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You open some curtains, man.
That was good. You didn't leave yet. Fucking hell.
Yeah, man. I was about to get in my car. Look at me now.
I saw your your work thing. It's got like flowers and shit. It's got like plants
Yeah,
and
man.
stuff. Yeah, office. That's pretty cool.
But I work for a sick company. I'm not gonna lie. Can't complain.
Yeah.
And they love me.
Here we go. Here's the W. Push, 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 push. DJ going ham. I don't know. I do not trust these guys. Bye. Have a great day. Love you.
Starts closing bearish, Brian's gonna get in.
Oh, I don't give a fuck what Brian's doing right now. Even if I copy word for word, I'll end up fucking losing.
That was a nice forming W.
Huh?
That was a nice forming W.
Yeah. It's nice. It's a nice one. It's just I'm being a bit cautious. I want to take the ones that I.
Yeah, this is the one that's gonna play out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come back to the retest. He needs to retest anyway.
Yeah. 24. So yeah, you can use that. I mean, you know, it's like, you know, you know that this level can react off. Obviously, you push straight through it. Don't just take the buy straight away. But then when you start seeing maybe a W with it, then you can maybe go for it. Stop loss would be like 12 pips. And then try and push it. But again, it's still very, very bearish. You know, what I would do in this case, even if I got in, you know, if I got in like there, I just go break even now. Go break even now. And then just see how far it pushes. To look at anything on the 5, yeah.
You guys buy gold, correct?
Nah, I'm just showing you a way of how you could have got in with this safely.
Oh, you don't take this trade?
No, it's too bearish, bro.
I know. I just see gold. If he really break more down, bro.
Yep. Me too, brother.
In this moment. Because I still believe that he can go to 33.
33? You said go down.
Yeah.
Just need to break this zone. Where's the guys that talk about oil blocks? Ninja? I don't know what Ninja is. I've seen him in ages. I haven't heard him in ages either, to be fair.
Ooh.
GG.
Push it, Pete.
Yeah, these buys are. They're just scary, man. Like it's all right when it pushes and you go break even. The most time though, you just get break even on these because you're so scared of the reaction.
What I've noticed is that these pushes only work out well when the 30 minutes really big. And then it closes and then you take the next 30 minutes.
Yeah, like if you get that there, like maybe break of Asia now, I would have just gone break even after that push. Just try to fucking get it. Because now, look, if this retrace has got no low work on the 30, you're going to get fucking rinsed.
Look at the daily.
Yeah, break highs. It is that though, like the breaking of like all-time recent highs. The issue you have is that you're going to be cautious of it because you should be, because it's at a high. Like, you don't know when it's going to reject, especially when there's 184 right there. So then normally you just go break even so easy, and then you get a break even trade. Sometimes you even get slipped on it because it pulls back so hard. So there's more chance of you just getting break even than actually a winning trade here. It's like, what's the fucking point? So I'd say now, if you got into this around that area, your stop loss was like 12. Just hit a 1-to-1. It's a good retracement on the previous 30. I'd close 80% there. And then if we do stop pulling quite hard, then retrace back to like 1925. So yeah, that was why I was a little bit cautious of these sells here, just because of this big order block here that's holding.
Will my renegade get stopped out? Let's find out.
Anything on the 4 hour now? So yeah, it's just holding this level at the moment. I need to break below. You're gonna tap 184. Pretty much tapped it there. 184 big psychological level, definitely now be break even, and then just hope it flies. EJ, how could you have got in? Yeah, just kind of pushed it at the hourly, maybe the break of that high. Close like 80% there. Leave a little run up because it is quite a big reaction there. It's also a celery. It's a celery at an order block with a W, so it's not bad. The only issue for me is the trend. I mean, we are still pulling up if you look here overall, but in recent times we've kind of broken it from here. That'd be the only issue. But swooping the Asian lows again. Yeah, but for me the trade today is definitely below 1920. What are you waiting for? Huh?
Uh,
Look at that. So now what are you gonna do? Max, do you think bank holiday is a joke nowadays? Price had a good volume yesterday and previous 3 ranks. I don't know anymore, man. I mean, yesterday, GJ ranged for pretty much the whole day, and Goldie was pumping, well, pushing up and down. Wasn't it? Yeah, it's pushing up, then back down. So, you know, it's a US bank holiday. Why is GJ ranging for the whole of London session? So, yeah, it's a hard one. You just got to see if there's volume. The issue you have with bank holidays is that you get into trade and then the volume just disintegrates. That's the issue you got. Maybe I should know it.
Max, when are you going on holiday?
The 7th. So it's Friday. I can do Friday morning, maybe. I can do Friday morning. to be honest, Friday morning is probably all you're gonna do anyway, because 7th of July is a big fucking day. NFP, unemployment rate, average earnings. I think the bank holiday is more noticeable for indices, yeah. That makes sense. Company's not open. Did this go back down and retest? Yeah, so you'd still maybe be in this, but again, the probability that this pushes without hitting your break even is pretty low. So it's just that, and obviously if you get the wrong tail of it and it starts rejecting straight away, you can take quite a big L here quite quickly, and you won't be able to manage it. Like a marble plane. Just joined. Any reason you didn't take gold? Which what? What gold? Gold what? Sells or buys? Buys? I don't know. I pushed it out of it. Too bearish. Yeah, too bearish. But it, you know, it did have the other the only thing it didn't have is the Asian and the trend, which is a little bit harder. It sounds like a Minecraft tune, this one. So yeah, it'll depend how this 4-hour closes, you know. If it closes back above, then yeah, nice, the buys will play out. It's a shock that I missed the... well, not miss, but I didn't get into this one. That's working. Very nice. But we explained it to T today, you know. In terms of the 30-minute and the hourly, there's a big level here to go tap. It did pull down quite a lot, though. Anyone in gold buys? Brian, I swear a second ago you were in fucking sells. You probably were as well, but yeah. That's another reason what put me off the buys. You were in sells at the time. So there we go. Tap the 50-minute retest. Nice. Like that. That's the level that you would at least get the retest. That's the level that you'd want to target. And then, yeah, maybe furthermore. Later on. This does sound like Minecraft music. Right? Sounds like when you're in the forest, I swear. So now the 50 minutes closed back above, swooped them. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. $50-minute on GJ closed above. 30-minute has not yet. 30-minute still got no lower wick. People in them GJ buys to make a decision over here. You're gonna get out of break even, or you're gonna hold it now you closed above. It's so hard at the highs because there's just nothing to base it on the left. You've also tapped 184. Big psychological level, so it is not the best. Max, what is the fresh finance graduate salary in England? I have no idea. Also, it's very hard to find fucking graduate jobs in the UK that aren't fucking recruitments. All recruitment jobs. Like, why do I want to work as a recruitment to get other people jobs when I can't even fucking find a job myself? Would you have got in on the flip for this Goldie W? I would have just got in I mean, this one kind of closed above. Probably this low wick and flip break the high there, yeah. Like there. Nothing wrong with the... No, 100%, but it's just like... I went on a D just to see, you know, the score of how it works. And yeah, fucking hell, just all recruitment. Like, finance jobs, you have to go through, like, the companies and do, like, this 7 stages, which I did back in the day. %, don't make it past year 1. Ah, that's why there's so many jobs. Yeah, it's like cold call. It's a cold calling, isn't it? It's a good thing though if you can do it. You know, sales and selling stuff. Just yeah, it's not for a lot of people, isn't it? Because you get cold call, or you get rejected a lot and stuff, isn't it? Now goldie seems like it's stopping. Will be 1-to-1. Could we get till 23? I think it would be good TP. Yeah.
You know, boss, I believe the golds wanna stay for a while over there in this area, like 20, 22, 30 something. He wanna play a ping pong over there. for like he break one area and he decide where he wanna go. He wanna go up or he wanna go down. I really look in this week more up, or maybe just stay in this area.
Yeah.
That I tell you. For the next week to the end of the month, it start going more down.
I agree. Yeah, I mean this week's gonna range probably because of the news coming out Thursday, Friday, and then yeah, next week will be hopefully the direction will be good. Remember, I'm on holiday, so the charts will be nice. Like every time I'm on holiday, they're always pretty clean. So remember that. That's your confluence. See if there's any clean zones. Facts, yeah. It's just the gods telling me I shouldn't trade no more. I'm telling you. Chart's already beautiful. Yeah, I agree. It's nice. I saw that trade, but man, I just don't have the balls for taking no more. Lost it. Lost faith. Just have to wait until we get some closures. Which happens once in a blue moon. Is FOMC gonna happen later today? No, it's the meetings and minutes. It's kind of like yeah, it's where they talk about it. It's just a meeting. It's not actually FOMC, I don't think. Is it FOMC meeting minutes? I swear they're different things. Where's it? Let's see where the last FOMC was. Where the fuck was it? Where was the last FOMC? Oh, there, yeah. This is the actual FOMC. When they changed the fund rates, the interest rates. This is just the meeting.
GJ is a fucking...
What?
Oh my god. Oh no, man. I make some graphic. That's
Yeah.
fucking crazy. Yesterday I sell in the top.
Would have worked, eh? Playing that range.
Yeah, I sell very, very in the top, but I take 10 pips and close. And I sell again and I take 5 pips or 6 pips and he's so dangerous and I close so fast and he go back like a ball of fire.
Max still will take M's and W's formation entries. Yeah. I've had a difficult time recently to getting into trades that I might not have, and then the trades that I did get in, I've maybe got in a bit too early. So I'm just gonna watch it play out. But that one there is one that I would have taken 2 days ago, but I've just lost confidence in just getting in.
It's nice that you're honest about it.
Yeah.
Nothing to worry about it.
How typical when you don't get in at runs. Yep. I know.
I tried to get in this gold W, and I don't know if it's the challenge I'm on. It started like, it passed my price that I was meant to buy, and it still hadn't triggered me. And I was like, oh fuck, I don't want it to trigger me in like fucking 10 pips above. So I got out, and then it just fucking flew.
Yeah. I just, again though, like, let's take a look. So if you got in at the area that was the most advantage, like there, you would have got 19. If you got the break of the 30-minute celery, which is probably what I would have done, because you had the break of the 30-minute celery on an IC with the W, you'd have only got 13 pips. Your stop loss was 20. So yeah, it's hard, man. You gotta maybe get in just expecting to break it. Did Christian take a 4-hour trade yesterday? Where did the 4-hour close? Closed bearish. Did it break the low straight away? And it was at an order block as well, so yeah, that's kind of... No, wait. No, it's higher up here. Broke the low maybe straight away? Yeah. Then we came down later on. You down for the month so far, Max? Yeah. Yes, unfortunately. And there we go, the hourly retested. That's what we expected. So good stuff, man. Good analysis this morning. Hope that made sense to you guys. I said the sells could be nice until you get to this level here. You could have some troubles. And then again, what we've discussed in recent times, the W and order block with the celery would have been nice. But I just want to watch them play out. The reason why I didn't really like this one so much is maybe because of the structure it was doing here. There's the high, come down. There's the lower high. There's the lower low. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it was just, it's bearish. It wasn't like it was making a retest to continue. Maybe overall with it, but yeah. Max, if we see a closure above the 30-minute consolidation on GJ, would you consider long? How do you manage reasonable TP without a target? No, I would not go for GJ longs. No. It's at the highs, and exactly as you said, how do you know when to TP it? For me, 184 would have been a good level to take it off. Can you see now how we're pushing really hard? And this is why I always leave the buys on GJ. The buys on GJ, I'm telling you, will lose you more money than make you. There's no point. Because look now, like, if your stop loss is down here, you're like, oh, it's got a long way to come and re-break. Especially after hit 184. So yeah, I mean, in this one here, if you wanted to have got in, it would have been, first of all, an impulse. The 50-minute closed above, but it already tapped 184. So... see what I mean? So now you're just going to get shafted. You're like, oh man, I wish I never took those buys. Good M formation following the trend. And did you see how quick, how quick it went into drawdown? Like, it ran down like 12, 13 pips in one 5-minute candle. Because, it's just at a high. If it wants to reject, it will, just like it did here and here and here. And yeah, it is above. The psychological level is above. And there's nothing to the left to show you that it moves very, very clean there. And you can get a push to 250, right? There's nothing there. So you got to go really blind there. Gold, I meant to say gold, nah. Gold I'm waiting for the sells below 1920. M's here would be, it's still hard because it's just reacting off this order block here. It's a big. Even if you don't like order blocks, if I just get rid of this, even if I don't like this, if you look here, a celery always retests, right? For then continuing up. So I don't know, I think the sells are not valid yet. You gotta wait until 1920. I was in this fucking buy now. So next TP would be there, 1925.3. Because that's a retest of a celery. We know price has to go retest celeries. Also, you class it as a order block there. So that has to be your next target. So when you get new targets, yeah, just focus on where price would react, where would it want to react. Even if you look on the 5-minute here, we broke below. And we haven't retested, so it makes sense to go back and tap there. And that's how you'd kind of play, TP1 would be just when you get, to this retest like there. And then TP2 would be there. And then TP3 would be at the high again, It'd be like all the way up here. Because you could be getting the low of the whole day. Therefore, if your entry was low enough, you've got enough room for it to mess around in this area, and when it starts pushing again, you're going to be good. Oh, GJ. GJ's just ripped people up. And genuinely, this comes from trading when I was younger. I'd always try and just take the buys. Like, yo, everything's bullish, just take the buys. The amount of times I'd just get slapped. There's no need. Unless it's continuing up and it's not at all time frame highs. And it's got a a nice zone above, then fair. I'd still go break even though at 184 psychological level. They hold quite well, especially on GJ, to be honest. I love how nice this one's holding as well, the one that I'm not in. The amount of times I've been in this trade and it fucks around, wicks me out, and then continues. Very nice. But yeah, I saw that one. If you go back to the start of the sim, that's to the start of the stream, did talk about how we could react off here. So pretty happy with that. I'm going to have a little on below 1920. I'll do 1921.25. So for GJ, yeah, I mean, you got to wait. Either play the range again. Or just wait for the price action to get better, which is what I would do here. Wax, is that not a closure back in the zone? It is, yeah. Super the Asian lows, yeah. Where's your stop gonna be though? The move's already, you know what I mean? It's the same thing again. The move's already happened. Getting in now with a stop, like, you know, if you used Previous 15 stop, it doesn't give you much room, and it's still only like 8 pips to the level that you'd want to take most of it off. Yes, sirree.
You come to Earth, you reincarnate, and you think, I am now basically invincible. It's very difficult to hurt or harm.
Max, did you enter? No, man. I've just shown you how it would have worked out. As I said, I'm just a bit lost of confidence at the moment in terms of these entries. I just want to see them play out a little bit more. But again, the next 4 ones that I'll be watching and not taking will all win, and then the one that I take won't win. It's God not on my side. So the 4 hour coming back above to that support. Yeah, nice. Good job, good job. Looks like a GJ fake out, could look like an M. It's just the zone is shit. The zone is a little bit choppy. Wimbledon authorities have announced that play has been abandoned for the day due to the weather. Oh, it must be quite bad weather in London as well. What the fuck?
Don't worry, you're gonna get it as well.
I'm not. I'm off. What's the temperature in Mali right
I hope it rains in Melia.
now?
That's what happened with me in Madrid. It was shit in England. Went to Madrid for a week. It rained and it was sunny in England.
Let me just show you this. The weather looks good. Look at that. Oh, yes. So I like to see no clouds in sight. Just suns.
What
Look at that. Bam, 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 bam.
kind of fucking... How? That's not fair.
Yes.
It's gonna be 30 degrees here tomorrow. Or the day after that.
What's the rules in Mali for smoking the ganj? Because I want to buy some, but I don't want to get bummed by the Greece. I think Greece are quite strict, aren't they?
No, bro, just go to the Athens and start smoking a joint.
Nah, fuck. I need
There
to know
won't be a problem.
I need to know the rules before I do any of that shit. Like, I'm not risking it. Fuck that.
Max, I watched that Beyond the Sea episode of Black Mirror yesterday.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was a bit anticlimactic.
Wait, behind the sea. Wait.
Beyond the Sea.
Beyond. Which one's
The one
that?
with the guy from Breaking Bad.
Oh, the astronaut one.
Yeah, I don't know. I just thought something a bit more spectacular was going to happen. I was kind of waiting.
Yeah, I suppose.
Like, yeah, he killed his family and then it just ended.
Yeah. Did
The,
you watch? What was the second one?
I've only watched 2. I watched that and the Joan is Awful. That was freaky.
Yeah. The second one's I think my favorite one.
What's that?
Episode 2. Wait, season 6. I think it's episode 2. Episode 2.
I never watch them in order. I just look at what looks cool.
Oh really? Oh, I watch them
Yeah.
all, just in case some of them are linked. What's the one where they? Okay, that's. Black Mirror. Lock Henry. Yeah, Lock Henry. That one's fucking. That one's
I'll watch
rough.
that one tonight. That Love, Death and Robots is good as well.
Yeah, I've watched all them ones.
My favorite is the 3 robots that are walking around when like the apocalypse, not apocalypse, but like the Earth just ended. And they're just like walking around checking it out.
Yeah,
That's
I
quite
like that one. What was the one? I don't know if it was this. I think it was, but I was very stoned at the time. It was where all of the rats, I guess, machine guns and shit.
Yeah, and the old man is like protecting his farm or something, no?
Yeah, and he's trying to shotgun them, and they have like a war and shit. That's well good.
Doesn't he become friends with them in the end or something?
Huh?
Doesn't the old man become friends with the rats or something in the end?
Yeah, I think so. In the end.
Who comes up with these ideas?
I know.
Bro, that was what I was thinking. Like, what the fuck are you taking?
So true.
Gotta be a bit outlandish.
You gotta be autistic to do that.
Bro, these guys are taking LSD and going on a bad trip.
In it, like
I only watched one, and that was the fucking the virtual reality thing of Falcon, the guy from Avengers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that one's mad.
That one was very weird.
Look how nice this gold's just trailing up. You cunt.
Hello, hey, mopping the floor, Tommy said.
Gee, oh yeah, Lohi is doing his housework over here. He's whipped.
He better. Or else he's gonna be put in paradise.
Yeah, he's
Right below it. He can definitely hear us. I'm going to see hello.
So there we go, guys. I would have closed there. TP2 would have been hit. Nice.
What's up, pussy boys?
Pussy.
You guys tripping, eh? Nice trading gold. Buyers, Matt. Looking, how many pips already?
Zero. I love to take 0 pips.
No, you guys don't buy 21, 30, 40?
Did you?
No, I don't do.
Oh man, if this was just the next day, I would have been happy. But yeah, my confidence has been washed from taking these right now.
But in this area is a couple good buyers.
Yep.
I'm so annoyed. I so would have taken Brian's trade. Even without knowing Brian took it, I was like, I would take this, but I was fucking looking at something else.
The GJ or gold?
GJ, because it took out the daily high.
Yeah, I
took out
took
the Asian high.
But I think I closed too early, and I think this is going to continue now.
I so would have taken it. I was like, oh, let me just look at Euro.
Yeah, Tommy. Tommy boy.
Max, did you lose confidence after 2 L's? It's not just 2 L's. It's just a
Oh!
mixture of fuckery.
TP2, Max. TP2, Max. Oh, good, man.
No, it's not a loss of 2 L's. It's being in trades that work out after I've closed a break even or lost the trade. It's trades that have wicked me out by 1 pip and ran 110 pips. It's trades that have played out beautifully whilst I'm not in them, but the one that I get in fucking sits around for 3 hours.
Days. Disclosure back in the range was paying. But of course, I had a runner, so I was like,
No, he go to 28.
Yep.
Well,
Yeah, so next TP would be like next TP would
TP3,
be
10, 28.
like, yeah, I'd say 30. Get back up to them highs again.
30, 32, 31, 33.
I can't wait to stare at this all day and watch the trade run 300 pips like I've done the past 15 days.
Where is David?
God.
David's in the chat.
I don't know.
Oh,
Come on.
we're
Stop
gonna
it.
fill everything. Look
You
at the
know,
follower.
You guys too much, Chakov.
Eco, you right?
Bro, you know what's crazy? Yeah? I was looking for these buys,
Pussy boy.
but then I got the sells, but now the buys are playing out.
It's just the reaction. It's like, oh my god, it is all over.
Yeah, I'm very high at the moment as well.
What time is it?
Bro, it's fucking. They said I could stay home, so.
It's just exactly, well, not exactly, because this one was a little bit slower, but it's the same kind of thing down here. But we took this one.
Louis, you doing smoking, Louis?
No, sir.
Yeah, good boy. Good
Well, I mean,
boy.
I'm on the vape, which is probably worse.
Yeah. In a couple of years, you don't have, you need a transplant.
Couple years, you have no lungs no more.
You know, I'm smoking for 15 years already. And look, it's up all the time, bro.
You're not getting no action at the moment, though.
Never disappoint.
Never.
No, in the moment, no, just for a couple of weeks.
When I go there, Aloe, we're gonna go on an
She
adventure.
stay mad with me and I'm doing fucking nothing, bro.
Aloe, let's go to Lisbon. I want to go out in
I
Lisbon.
don't wanna go to Lisbon, man. Fuck off, man.
Yo, don't. You're acting like an old man.
No, we try to do a good boy. And
Bro,
man, you know, como é que se diz carente em inglês?
O quê?
Carente.
Carente como ser bom? Bom?
Não, estar carente.
Como assim?
When you need someone talk to you good things. You know,
Oh,
the
yeah,
guys in
no.
Portugal have this problem. When you be as just sympathetic, I don't know how to tell in English.
When you act nice and
When you act nice, the girls think that you want something, man. I don't want something. I just be a nice boy, you know.
you're just polite. You're just polite, sympathetic.
Exactly. Yeah. Ah, man. No,
Yeah,
I
to
am
be fair,
gentleman.
that's a rough. To be fair, I can see how that was annoying. Like, you're just a nice guy, just talking, and she makes it sus by saying, "Oh, sorry,
No,
I should be talking."
and the girl say, and the girl look into my wife and say, "I am sorry." And my wife say, "I'm sorry for what? For talk to my husband?" No, I have a second intention. Oh my God, man, you are fucking drunk, girl. You know, I tell she, oh my God, you have some brain problems. You know, I've been nice with you here, just talking normal, and you fucking make confusion your hair, man. You need some medicines. Go away, go away. Oh, I don't know your fucking name, you know. Now you leave and give me here with the fucking iceberg.
That's hilarious, man.
Yeah, of course, man. You know.
And now you're in the doghouse for 3 weeks.
Come on. Look in the
Man,
fucking.
I've just saw that shit straight away, you know.
Look the size of that. You can see you in the fucking wedding. You don't see that one is a you
Mhm.
know.
Very
Come on.
true.
Man, you are fucking horse.
So yeah, the good thing now is this is why we like these setups, is because now obviously you need to remember you are at resistance here, right? So getting into a buy now is retarded, but the good thing is that if this wants to fuck around, look how low your entry is. It can fuck around here, and then when NY pops, it'll go boom, and then you get your TP.
You know, we take the same trade yesterday with David Alonso.
Nice. Did you?
No, we don't. We really
Yeah.
don't take that one. We take it. We take the 26.39
Mhm.
to the top.
Mm. Yeah, held that support is nice.
And I believe he wanna do this the same again.
You're not in this trade, are you? No, I'm just showing you how it would have worked out, and it's what I've been explaining the past week. It's just I lost confidence in taking them because it's still brand new, man. I'm still just learning it. But it had all of the things. The only thing it didn't have is the 50% Asian, but instead it was Asian fake out. It was the swooping of the Asian lows. So yeah, it was
Baby,
still
go
good.
back.
If you look on the 4-hour, the level we tapped, and now we're rejecting, we're gonna go fill 1930 today.
Yeah, daily's just reflipped.
Yeah,
that's good. So this is when now, you know, everyone tries to look to try and get in, and you're fucking down here. You're just chilling. Like, wow, I'm just gonna wait for this to hit my TP. So it will come. It's just, I don't know.
Bro, that closure back
I'd
in the
happily
range.
take it by myself, but when I take it with other people, like it's just like it's still brand new to me. You know, I want to take some before I give it to other people, but it's hard, man.
You know, for the people like to cry, I have a bag of onions here. Here you go.
Stop loss to 1922. Let it fuck around. Wait, Daniel, are you in? Yeah, I just leave it. You know, if you've taken TV1 there, TP2 there, then just leave this to 1930. Or
Easy way.
Daily didn't break the
30,
low.
38.
Yeah.
30, 30, 50.
This is definitely a fucking Minecraft tune, I swear. Oh no, it's the background is.
I have my magic lines here. My lines say. We look into the wrong direction in the morning.
So this reaction is what I wanted yesterday on here, but obviously there was a retest here which it did hold. But that was the push that I wanted here, which also happened loads of times. But
To be honest, yeah, you could have actually looked for the buys.
I did. I'm not gonna lie, I actually did take a little entry, but I closed very early. I closed actually just there. But I was just playing it out. As I said, I kind of want to just be able to get used to clicking.
If you look on the 4-hour, that's a big level. This 1920 range.
Yeah, I got in once that W.
Daily didn't break the daily lows, and it could have. It was very close.
Yeah.
So we'll start seeing a reaction of that level. And if you look on the daily to the left, did you see those wicks?
Yeah.
What? Hey guys, you guys probably did. If I'm here for 1 year, I have my Ferrari. Where is my fucking Ferrari, guys?
When did you come back? Like April?
I don't know, man, but I'm good. I just go back 3-4 months. Maybe.
Gold makes a joke of impatient people, yeah.
Man, if you take your gold down, you already have 50 pips. Good.
Thing is, if this closes above 1926, it is still clean. But we already pushed so much.
Exactly, man. And then your stop's going to be 1924. And then again, it's what I said before, if this rejects, could come down, tap you out, range here for ages. Brian and everyone else who got him down here do not give a fanny fuck what's going on here. Wait until Comex comes, pushes, breaks the high, and there's a push. So it's just getting in too late from it, which is what's happening now, You've got to get in much earlier.
No, it's not good area to buy up there.
Yeah.
No, man, you. If I buy up there right now, if I buy, my stop loss is gonna be
23.8.
Maybe a little bit like me. I put more if I buy up here, but I wanna go like a 33.
So where are you getting this 33 from? These wicks, yeah.
I can tell you. You wanna say they are fucking crazy?
No, I don't. I just think why would you close at 33? So like there.
It's not 33. It's 33.23.
Okay, so even higher.
I make
man.
my lines.
Very
I tell you what I do. I take the candle of the last week. I push. I medium the high where he closed. The low, and I start doing my map with 50% of these areas, reduce to 4 hours and try to 50% and just make the lacunes. And one of the big lacunes that he need to break to go up is the 33.23.
Because it's the weekly, it's the previous weekly high.
Yeah. Okay. I get that. That makes sense.
But what you could also have a big rejection around that level.
Yeah, but the rejection is if he break.
Yeah, I know.
He
go 50 pips up.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean. You could also take a rejection of that level.
Yeah.
You know, if I buy in 33 and he go to reject like he do already in one candle before the 23 of June, and he should go to 37. He break.
Yeah. So then, hey, right. So if you took a buy, right? Let's say you take a buy here, right, and then you came to this level here. Would you want this to break? And if it doesn't break, would you just close, or would you hold your balls and try and break this?
If I take a buy right now, I put my stop loss 22.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, when you come up to 1930, which is my res, would you just hold it and try and see if it breaks?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe what is my enter? If my enter is very good, I really don't hold her because I wanna profit. Next trade.
Yeah, 100%. So just like you.
But if I wanna respect my lines and I take the trade in here, my TP1 is 36.
Yeah.
Because that's how I play 36, 19.
Yeah.
That's how I do. You know, Alonso, David Alonso. He called me yesterday. And he asked me if I can show you how I do with my lines.
Yeah, it's good, man. You're having the daily and the weekly highs, It's good.
And I show you, he understand perfect because I speak Spanish and he speaks Spanish too.
Yeah, you can get it across.
And I tell he, they say, I like the how Max teaches with the M and the W because it's more easy for the enters for take the trade and make more confirmation for me for respect my lines.
Yeah, that's true. That's why you hold a little bit longer.
I doing both ones together.
2 minutes.
And I hold it, and for this I take 60 pips, 100 pips because I respect my lines. If he broke in the 33, he going to 53 again, bro.
Also, if you put your line at 33, 360, and if you look back on the 30-minute, when we previously reject off that level, it's a fucking strong rejection. And what you get
how many times he when he broke in the 33, he broke. He tried 1, he tried 2, he tried 3.
Yeah.
3 times in the same month.
Yeah.
But before he tried the 33, he need to break the 43. And how many times he tried to break? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 10.
Yeah.
You do? You see?
Yeah, I see. So what you do is you basically base levels of the weekly, daily, this weekly highs, the 50% of ranges, and then wait,
You
because
know,
those.
the what I do is I calculate the last week. What I do the last week, I calculate the. I want to show you that later.
Yeah.
I take the highs of the last week, but not the fake one, just when he closed.
Mm-hmm.
And I take the more low that he go, and I calculate and take the 50%. And we wanna see this week that we do 100% of the candle of the last week, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do the 100% of the last week. Almost. And that's the trade that we take yesterday.
Yeah. I should have actually seen these buys, but I was not running. So this is nice.
Look, I have one shot here in my computer. I have one. Look, when I said before, that's a only, but it's a month candle.
Look at gold push. Fucking no, look at this 30-minute candle.
Breaking Asian highs.
Look in this, Max. That lines haven't 2 years, I think so. No, not 2 years. We are on 23. These candles have 3 years. These candles, no. This. You see? I send you in the Telegram.
Okay.
I make these lines in 3 years.
Oh my god. They just don't touch
Yeah.
them.
Different colors, different times, you know. But you see the medium one, the big one, that one, the medium.
Mm-hmm.
That is that I calculate all these lines.
Okay.
And that one, if you calculate this candle and you push for down and push for up, is the same.
Mm-hmm.
The same.
This looks like Ted's charts. Who remembers how Ted used to do
Yeah.
that?
There's lines on.
But
Nice, bro.
I like it. It's working for me.
It's good shit. Well done, man. So this is, a beautiful trade here. Amazing. Look how much it ran. Beautiful. 9 o'clock now. I'm going to leave it off over here, but good job. Good analysis this morning. The sells below to continue down. The way to have got in those sells is maybe like this M retest, but it's kind of hard. It wasn't really, it wasn't maybe a resistance, but I think it was quite hard to find these sells. This didn't close below, and obviously my main issue is this 4-hour order block, which we've just pushed off, made a W on, and it flew. It flew. Oh my god, look at GJ. But yeah, nice stuff. I just want...
disgusting, bro. Disgusting. Looking right now, disgusting.
Yeah, it's ass. It is ass.
Oh.
Where he go, Max?
Huh?
Look, oh my god, look at this 15-minute candle, GJ.
Yeah,
ripping. Porno star. Oh man. Well, what we do? We buy right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until later, guys. So we've got a sim. We'll do start sims like 11. We'll do like 2 sims, and then we'll see what NY has. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on. Good discussion today. As I said, I'm just watching out on these. That was the one that I did spot, and I did take by myself. But I just don't want people to take my trades when I'm still learning kind of this push at the start. It's hard, man, because
other thing, Max. Sorry to interrupt you, but it's important. More of the guys they say, I have a big loss or something like that. The guys trading 1% and a half, or 130 or 150.
Yeah.
And maybe if you're doing these people doing last, you don't have a big loss. He don't have a problem with emotional feelings or have a one bad week and a 2 bad week, because your trading is low,
Yeah.
and in the end of the month you want to see a profit. But if you have a 2 weeks bad, you want to start freaking out.
Very true.
And that is, I know, sorry to tell you that is something that you don't talk too much, but I feeling and I see the many people in the chat
The risk, yeah. Maybe they put the risk down.
don't have the same visions that I have.
Look at that.
But that's true, bro. I just tell you because I wanted all the guys be happy. No?
I'll catch you guys later.
I
See you
have a
later,
bad
keep going,
week
man.
too, but I'm good.
Yeah, boy, yeah, boy. See you later, guys. Yeah, I'm done now. Nice trade on Goldie there. Nice sells below. GJ kind of not doing anything, but discussed how the buys here are just not worth it, man. So yeah, great analysis. Thank you very much, guys. Make sure to see you in the next one. See you in the Sims. Adios, adios. Peace out, guys. Adios, adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. As I say, I will start clicking these eventually. I mean, I have been doing them recently. To be fair, there's been a couple that I maybe lost because of other order blocks below and maybe waiting a little bit longer, but that was a perfect one that I've been back testing with the group. So yeah, thank you very much for coming on. See you in the next one. Peace out.